రంగారెడ్డి జిల్లా రుద్రారం గ్రామంలోని తోషిబా పరిశ్రమలో 560 కోట్ల రూపాయలతో నెలకొల్పుబడిన కొత్త యూనిట్లను మంత్రులు శ్రీధర్ బాబు, వివేక్ వెంకటస్వామిలు ప్రారంభం చేశారు. 150 ఎకరాల్లో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన ఈ పరిశ్రమలో 400 మందికి ఉద్యోగ అవకాశం లభిస్తుందని తోషిబా యాజమాన్యం తెలియజేసింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో స్పెషల్ సిఎస్ సంజీవ్ కుమార్, జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ పి. ప్రావీణ్య, జిల్లా ఎస్పీ పరితోష్ పంకజ్, ఆర్డీఓ రవీంద్రారెడ్డి మరియు కంపెనీ యాజమాన్యం పాల్గొన్నారు.
Honorable Minister, Mr. Vivek Venkat Swami, Honorable Minister for Labour, and I have been joined by my Department Special Chief Secretary, Mr. Sanjay Kumar. And in fact, it's a pleasure meeting you again, the Chairman and Managing Director of this Toshiba Furutata San and Kanata San, and Honorable Minister Kyokyo Hogyo San, and the respected delegates who have come from the Toshiba from Japan. And in fact, it's the great honor to be here on this occasion where we are laying the foundation stone for the expansion of the heat-free power transformers plant. And this has happened within a rapid speed, like Japan's bullet train, right? We were there in Japan, and the Honorable Chief Minister Revant Reddy entered into MOU, and that has translated into action of groundbreaking of this foundation stone for laying this expansion. And thanks to the speed and the precise moments you have taken to do the groundbreaking. And also, we are here to inaugurate the state-of-art facility of this CRGO core processing unit. And we are here to inauguration of the state-of-art manufacturing facility for the search arrestor. And once I see back, I can tell the talent of the days over here, which they have shown lots of their time in reflecting our dedication to your Toyota plant. All the credit should go to the people who are sitting off the days and all the leaders who have done this, made it possible. And it is a true honor for me, along with me, all officers of this SP and the collector who are here to join us in this inauguration event. And I would like to say that, Hyderabad, everybody knows, is a capital for the modern world. And it's a capital for the IT. And tomorrow we have to show and reflect. It's a capital for the cutting-edge technologies. And we welcome you to this historic moment as we are going to inaugurate Toshiba's cutting-edge manufacturing facility in this part of Telangana, that is Rudraram. And we are also laying for the future power infrastructure for Telangana, which shall be the power infrastructure for India as for all over the globe. And I always see when I come to inaugurate any company or any manufacturing plant, I just don't take it as a ceremony where I inaugurate or my government inaugurates the industry. It's here, we are here to celebrate our values. The values of precision, of values of trust, and ultimately it's a long-term relationship between Japan and India that we celebrate here. We are here for it, and thanks to the Japanese and the Toshiba team which made it possible. As everybody knows, Telangana is a very young state, very small state, and we are here to give to the world big signals. How do we do it? On the map, we may appear, on the geographical map, we may appear very modest. But in policy, in performance, and in purpose, we are leading from the front. As legendary history goes, as the phoenix rising, our growth story is powered by youthful energy. I can see there are not many people. It's absolutely transformational as a power transformer. Why IESC, why Telangana is supposed to lead in all fronts from tomorrow? I would like to mention few numbers, few statistics. About 2.77 lakh crore in industrial output, with 48% is from manufacturing. That is from 24 to 25, and 1 lakh crores we do in merchandise exports, and we have done it in just 9 months. When we see the national average growth rate compared to our GSDP, we are far ahead in terms of the national average with 8.2% of the GSDP growth. And our seamless approvals that we give it to our investors within 15 days, 95% of the approvals they get within 15 days of their application. Right now we have about 26,212 megawatt installed power capacity, enabling the round-the-clock quality power supply. And I would like to mention here again, we are not here to chase capital. We are here to co-create the value of Japan's precision, reliability, with India's and Telangana's talent sitting across one of the days. And when it comes to the clean energy growth and the grid resilience, Telangana energy architecture is not just reliable, it is absolutely reformative. What I have seen just now, the CNMD and all the colleagues are just showing how the power transformers with the modern technologies, how they are going clean energy, and 20,000 megawatt of the new renewable capacity targeted by 2030 with a new energy policy which has been brought for the first time after we formed this government. And also I can say that after we carved our state of Telangana, this is the first time we have come up with the energy policy, and we are now scaling to the new frontiers with green energy equipment zones tailored for companies like Toshiba in batteries, in power components and smart grid systems. And when it comes to location and why Japan specifically and why Toshiba should bet on Telangana, as I earlier mentioned, 47% or to 48% of our industrial output is from manufacturing sector. And we have skilled talent pipelines through, as our special CEOs were just mentioning, this is the first ever state to put forward the Young India Skills University. And we have a task institution, and we have also come up with a exchange program of DEET. And we have the sector specific parks like electronics, EV and medical devices. And our industrial infrastructure is well equipped with 24/7 power, grid connectivity and clean energy. And as rightly mentioned, the policy speed. And we have brought in a new software, the Build Now, which will be approved in a day's time, not in quarters of a year. And I would like to specifically mention, Japanese firms will get the priority and soft landing in Telangana as we take quite resolve and relentless innovation by all the engineers and all our employees over here. And this spirit has brought us, everybody here, to this place of Rudraram, a rising corridor in Sangareddy district, to celebrate a very, very powerful convergence. A big global leader from Meiji era Japan, placing its power node in the heart of the modern Telangana. I would like to say, under our government, proactive, pro-investor, pro-industry state, which is led by our Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy, we continue to welcome the global excellence with unmatched speed, transparency and ambition. And when it comes to Toshiba, I would like to say, it's about Toshiba. We don't consider you as another investor here. You are a global benchmark for a zero defect precision. And also, you are also a global benchmark for reliability. And you are also a benchmark for a technological depth. We honor your legacy, which has been built over the past 150 years of trust in energy which we now see it is intersecting with Telangana rise in India's most power, future-ready industry state. The new CRGO, code processing and the search arrestor facility, along with the foundation for EHV transformer plants, marks more than the manufacturing capacity. You know, this marks us entering into a next level of our relationship for the long-term commitment and trust in our government and trust in Telangana's policy and trust in our Telangana's people and trust in Telangana's promise what we made. The investment I always see is not transactional. Now we are here to manufacture the power transformer.